What's going on, everyone? This is Vince from Life with Vince Luu, and today is a great day. I just hit 225 5x5 on the high bar barbell beltless squats. That is a mouthful. So 3 days ago, I hit 205 5x5, and I was gonna wait a couple days, maybe even a week before I upped the weight, but decided to squat today. My legs feel fresh, they feel good, and I put 225 on. And really, I was only going for 3 or 4 per set, and then I went 1, 2, 3 on the first set, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go for 4. 1 for 4. I was like, oh, you know what? I'm gonna go for 5. Went for 5, and I was like, okay, that was a little bit easier than I expected. And then complete the second set, and then the third set, and the 4 and 5 to come after. And I'm just a little bit mind blown because I didn't think my strength would come back this fast. In just 3 days, I've upped my at least 5x5 by 20 pounds. So I'm super excited to see where I can take this. 315 might come a little bit faster than expected. And today is kind of sort of a special day. Today is day 60 of when I really started to commit to YouTube. And today is the 60th day that I've published at least one YouTube video a day. And this journey has been so fun, a lot of learning, and it's only been 60 days. I feel like my content is slowly getting better, my thumbnails are slowly getting better, my editing, and it's just a lot of learning, a lot of new skills that I'm accumulating. Not only that, but the support, the community side of things have been mind-blowing for me personally. I didn't expect this side of it. I mean, I didn't really know what I was getting into. Though now that I'm in it, there's just so much support from especially the small YouTubers, because you understand what it means to put yourself out there. You understand what it means to film, to edit, to create thumbnails, and all the work behind the camera and on camera too, the speaking and just everything. And not even just the small YouTubers, the large YouTubers, the people that I'm learning from, that I'm drawing motivation from, or even just people that are supporting my channel, liking, commenting, subscribing. It's been kind of overwhelming, and I've just gotten really good feedback, and I'm excited to continue this journey. And what I hope to accomplish from this channel is just sharing my experiences. I don't really want to say, hey, you should do this, or hey, you should do that. It's more of, hey, this is what works for me, and I want to show you all the work that I'm putting in, and you can take my content however you want to take it. But I want to show you what I'm doing day to day, my training, my thoughts. And another goal that I have for this channel is to create a community of positivity, to create a community that uplifts each other, to help each other, and to take each other to the next level. And I'm gonna do my best to do that. So if you have any questions, if there's anything that I can help out with, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions or to do whatever it is that you're requesting to the best of my abilities. And I want to surround myself with the right people to learn, to grow, and really, just as I mentioned, to take each other to the next level, because that's what I'm all about. I'm super into personal development. I'm super into just getting to that next level in my mind, physically, financially, everything. If I can better any area of my life, I'm gonna do it. And I hope to create that sort of community of, hey, we all wanna better each other, so let's do it. Even if you're from different niches, if you're in finance, if you're in running, if you're in powerlifting, if you're in jiu-jitsu, I know I'm listing just exercise stuff, but like spiritually, vegetarianism, veganism, and for me, growing, maturing, as life goes on, that's what it's all about. It's all about the journey. Well, it's not all about the journey, but for me personally, a lot of it is about the journey. So cheers to you, cheers to me. I'm excited to grow together. Let's do it. And you know, my daily vlogs wouldn't be complete if I didn't mention my run. So here we go, easy 3 miles today, just to get the legs moving because I did squats earlier. Gonna go on a medium run tomorrow, and then the plan is to long run on Saturday or Sunday, depending on how I feel on those days. So spread the positivity, spread the love. Love you all, thank you for the support. Let's go crush it. So thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It really helped me out. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Other than that, see you all tomorrow.